This is Bobby at Copal TV Repair with a functionality proof video for a main board for LG 31MU97Z. That is the version of the 4K monitor that has two Thunderbolt ports. And I'm not going to be showing the Thunderbolt functionality because the problem with the board is different. It has nothing to do with the inputs. I will just have regular HDMI as usually connected. The board belongs to DEANTVPARTS out of eBay, and you can see the audio and the video. You can't see the audio, but you can see the video and hear the audio, and the board is working fine. It has our label on the back. This is the media player. Our warranty label is on the back showing today's date, 25th. It may be 20. Is it 26 today? Yeah, okay, so I was correct, 25th. And that's it. The board's working fine. Thank you very much. Do not kill the warranty label, please. And no matter what, don't put that at me prom on eBay. That is really stupid. Thanks.